Hello kids! Today we are going to learn drawing of basic geometric shapes. Are you ready for it? So let us start. This is how we make circle. Circle is round and round. Spelling of circle is C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. This is the way we make square. Square has 4 equal sides. Spelling of square is S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Now this is how we make triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Spelling of triangle is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Next is the way we make rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides with 2 pairs of equal sides. Spelling of rectangle is R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Now this is how we make cone. Spelling of cone is C-O-N-E. Cone. Now this is the way we make rhombus. Spelling of rhombus is R-H-O-M-B-U-S. Rhombus. This is the drawing of oval. Spelling of oval is O-V-A-L. Oval. I hope you all now know drawing of basic geometric shapes. If you want to learn more things with me, then please subscribe and watch my YouTube channel. Thank you.